What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. Alright, we're doing it again. We're back on eBay. I don't know if you guys that are watching this now heard my story on eBay. Been on eBay for a long time. In the beginning, in the 90s, when eBay first came out, I was making a ball of money off a computer service back in the beginning, and I didn't really care about eBay, but I got an account to teach my customers how to sell stuff on there. Okay, so fast forward to 2019, I started doing retail arbitrage on eBay, which is buying from retailers new stuff and selling it on eBay. You can do that or sell it anywhere. It's called retail arbitrage. Okay, basically what it is you know, there are these companies out there that allow you to connect your eBay to them, and you could drop ship like crazy. Well, COVID came around. I was actually doing quite a bit of money when it first hit, like everybody else, but these companies that I was relying on to give me the products folded very quickly, and I got a bad mark on eBay because I had a bunch of orders I couldn't fulfill, and they knocked me out of the game for almost 2 years. So now I'm back on it, but I'm doing it in the old-fashioned way, like I used to. In the beginning, I used to sell I sold like my collectibles and stuff. I think I told the story in one of my other videos. It's not what I'm here making this video for today. I had a couple questions on this new platform called Mercari. Okay, now this Mercari, I just actually started on here too. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's like a mimic of eBay. Okay, and basically it's the same stuff, really. I mean, of course, eBay is much more dynamic, but Mercari is pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. Okay, so I mirrored my products, which is probably not the greatest way to do it. I might get into trouble, because if one singular product would sell on both simultaneously, I'm going to have to make the decision on which one I'm going to cancel. Okay, so that said, I had a question. There's no migrating software to go from eBay to Mercari. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to very quickly migrate your eBay products, and you could probably do this vice versa. If you got Mercari and you want to go to eBay with one of your products, you just do it in reverse. Okay, eBay is a little bit different. It's a little bit more detailed, but that's why it's good for an eBay. So I want to take this little dress I got for sale. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Mercari and I'm going to add a listing. Okay, and it's very, very basic software. It's what I call Rayware computer friendly. Okay, because this is how I used to make my software. Okay, so when you go to upload an image, matter of fact, let me do this first. Yeah. Whoops, how'd that guy get there? Who's that handsome guy? Let me pin you off. Alright, so you go to your eBay listing, you click on the item, this picture, okay, you right click on it, copy image address, and you know, I've showed this, let me get rid of that, a billion times on my affiliate marketing thing. Okay, let me adjust here. If you look down at the bottom, okay, so it's asking me to upload a picture, and of course I got some pictures in my cache. I don't need them, I don't want them. I'm going to click here, and then I'm just going to right click and paste the URL to that picture, and you can't see it here. Let me get a little more professional here for you guys. Okay, and open. Now sometimes it'll lag, meaning that, you know, it'll sit there for a second or two, sometimes up to a minute before it actually puts the picture where you want it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next picture, and hopefully, hey, it looks like the same picture. Probably the other side of the dress. Okay, so hopefully it'll give me the other scenario that I'm looking for, which is there's a window that pops up. Okay, there's a window that pops up, and it almost looks like you're going to sign in. Okay, and again, I might not get that scenario on this video. I don't want to make this video too long. Excuse me. Yeah, I got a little bug. Okay, so let's see, was that it? 3 pitches? Okay, so that was it, 3 pitches. So then I'm going to take the title. I'm just going to keep going, and I'll probably do a couple of items here if I got time. Okay, I'm going to do my title. Okay, and you put it exact, because eBay rules. Now I could go all out and scrape this off, meaning, you know, highlight it all and copy it, but I'm not going to do it like that. Okay, I don't particularly like the way I did this in eBay. I'm probably going to go back and change that. Okay, but I'm going to highlight all of that and copy it. Then I'm going to go over to Mercari under their description. Now their description is pretty basic. Okay, you got no bells and whistles like when you revise this in eBay. When you do this in eBay, you can do like HTML. You could change it any way you want. But I actually like this less options better. Okay. Now with this, I failed to do this properly in eBay. Not properly the way I like to do it, you know. But this is fine. Okay. So now it's showing all these this dysfunctional thing that happened here, where I copied this like this, okay, and I pasted it in there. Whoops, we don't want to see that. Okay, so it's disheveled. So I'm going to take that, right? I'm going to copy X that out of there, Control X. I'm going to open a notepad and just put it in there. Brand name. Type. Okay, you don't always have to do this. It depends on how you put it in there in eBay. Okay, but this is a simple movement here that you can do. I probably picked a poor product to show you this on. Okay, pink floral, I believe that is. So it takes a little bit, but you know, again, it's better than retyping it. Alright. Season. Summer does not apply. Now character, we don't need that. Okay, so again, it is, you know, character family. I don't need that. Whoops. Character family, I don't need that. And again, that's, you know, semantics, you know. Number of pieces. 1 piece. Fabric type. Cotton. Alright, so you get the picture, okay? Performance, activity, play. There's actually a bunch of junk in here. Wonder why it didn't sell. Playtime. Alright, sleeves. Link, sleeveless. Now the reason why they do this is because of the search engines. You want to get as much information in there. And that looks like a redundant statement, but that's okay. Okay, so vintage, no, we don't need to say no that it's not vintage. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all of these, Control All. Control X, take that out of there. And again, even with this, you know, little bit of adjusting the format that I got to do. Let me do this for everybody. Okay, active playtime. Cotton is spelled wrong. Okay, alright, so that's done. So now, we're going to do these hashtags, and I'm going to go, and again, this is for Mercari search engine optimization. Okay, So I'm going to go, what is this, toddler? Toddler, we'll go to this hashtag. Well, this would allow me to do 3 hashtags. Some of them don't actually do that. So we're going to go 3T for 3, size 3 toddler. Okay, and then we're going to go dress. Okay, and we'll do girl in there too. Now, we're going to select the category. Women, of course, right? I don't think, all right, kids, we got kids here. Suggested. Accessories, girls' dresses. All right, so that's coming up great. I don't think there's any girls. T5, T2, T4. All right, we don't want to do any of that. Now, it's a brand. We're looking for the brand. Okay. Nautica. Okay, we're going to go back to Nautica. It has it in there. Sometimes it won't have it, you know, a brand in there like new. But again, I'm just showing you how to put it in, how very quickly. Okay, so let's see what I did for the price on that. Probably nothing. $4, okay, which means I got it for free. Mercari, I'm going to put it up for $7. Now, they don't allow you to do the like $7.99 thing, okay? You see what happens? It comes down to here after I take them out. And then with the shipping, I'm going to do the Mercari shipping for this item, okay? Select shipping. That's not an option. Paid by the hour. All right. I heard a lot of bad things about that Mercari local, okay? What did I forget? Select the category. Okay, girls T to T5. Huh? All right. Certain things they force you, obviously. See, this is what they try and get you to do. You don't want to do that local pickup crap. I heard a lot of bad stuff about it. Okay. All right, so that's what it you know, they'll say I'll earn. Now, they change the price on me, you see. They automatically change the price on me, which is fine by me. I don't have a price, so I don't have a problem with that. So it's very competitive. Select the size, 3T, right? Very competitive. And you're going to let me list it there, Bacaro, and it's listed, okay? So that's how you migrate your eBay, okay, to Mercari. And so far, I've made some sales very quickly within my first week on it. Format looks great. Looks better than eBay. Now I got to go back and fix my eBay one. You know, and if, you know, real quick, I didn't really want to make this video that long. But what I'm going to do here is that could be the reason why this wasn't moving on eBay, because of the way I had it formatted. It's just crap. And I had some typos in there. Okay. All right, so I'm going to select all of this. Actually, not that, because see, this was copied and pasted in there from a different thing, and that's why it came like that, you know. I'm going to put all of these over here, old school. We're going to go with it, old school. This again, I could probably. I don't know, let's see if I still got it here. Yeah, I'm going to take that from there, because now that I corrected the format on it. Because when you copy from something in HTML, okay, I hate these inner frames. You know, we'll fix that in a minute. It's always good to put bullet points on there. I've got some, let me go down here. I've got some, and normally there'd be asterisks in between there. Okay, so I had a couple of typos and everything, but that'll do it for now. Okay, so that was good. And you know what I think I'm going to do with this here, because well, the buyer's paying the shipping on this. I think I'm going to bump this up a little bit. I'm going to bump it up to $8, maybe $9, because sometimes what happens is if people see the price in there and it's too cheap, they kind of, you know, the uppity people, they're like, oh, that's just, I'm not buying that for my kid because it's junk. It's only $3. Okay? And then it's always good to revise your stuff in eBay. Well, I'm not really here to teach eBay. I was just here answering a question. I had somebody ask me a question about how to migrate this stuff in there because they know I know a lot of tricks of the trade when it comes to doing websites and stuff like that. And a lot of my followers, they know that, you know, on my email list, they know that I'm an eBay guy too. Okay, so this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Hey, it's because YouTube tells me to tell you guys that. Take care.